Could you tell us your name, please?
Ryan,
And what school do you go to, Brian?
Dunard Primary.
And what did you contribute to our creative competition?
I made a poem about racism and slavery. I liked the part where I made it speak about like the blues music, and like they would sing blues because they were struggling and it made them feel better about themselves. I had not known about show racism, the red card, until our person Chris came into our classroom and did workshops with us, and then we went to Partick Thistle and went for the whole like venue, and it was really fun, and I even won a top. In the future, I would like to make people more aware about racism and get more involved in these type of workshops and stuff like that.